We're going zip sliding today, right?
Very rarely fish at.
Yeah.
An outfitter in town called Silver Creek Outfitter.
Well, you want to keep your left hand on the control.
This way.
Yeah.
This way.
There you
Got
go.
it.
Nicely
Got
done.
it.
Go ahead and turn that. Turn that. And wind's blowing on you. Zip clear? Yes, it is. Zip clear. Ready?
Ready.
Awesome. Parking brake. That's what you want now. Good job, Jan. Pull yourself
Put it in
in.
this way.
Yeah, well, a parking brake just means you've come to a stop. You don't want to start slipping back to the middle of the cable,
Okay,
so you're
so-
grabbing the cable. Okay, so go ahead and pull yourself in. Zip is clear. Okay, parking brake. One hand on either side. Good job. Pull yourself in.
And here we go.
Yay. Everybody feel it. Good? Ready?
I'm as lucky as you are to have Lotus guiding you. Hey.
I want to go with you guys. Can we hitch a ride? Really bad.
You're lucky. You didn't put slugs on your face.
I did run 10 banana slugs. Oh yeah, I'm a banana slug.
Tomorrow you have to put it in their mouth.
I hear they're delicious. You can't do that though. They're delicious too, but you can't eat them anymore.
Alrighty, Dwight, just sort of relax into your harness. Take your feet up, you can lean back a little bit. Perfect.
All right, Mom. Have fun.
Happy Mother's Day, by the way.
Zip there.
That's the magic words. Or those are the magic words. Well, look at you. You're ready to go in.
I'm ready.
Yes.
Nope, you're fine.
Nice.
Catch him.
Alright, lean back a little bit. Alright, Bruce. Come off, sir. You can go ahead and put your left hand in and your right hand on top.
There.
Go ahead and sit in your harness. Feet up, lean back. Big smile, relax.
Good job.
Oh, it does heat up.
Yeah, a little bit.
That was amazing.
Isn't that cool? I mean, this is the one where people are going to come in really fast. Good job. That was perfect. So I'm going to put my brake here so you don't go backwards, and we're going to get the log underneath here. Nice. That was beautiful.
Speed there, steep here. It's not going to be slippery, but place your feet on the cross pieces, and that'll help you to retain your traction.
You don't have to grip so much now. That happens with friction, you know. Okay, now you can stand, Dwight. Go, you're back on the ground.
You can give us a wave, Dwight.
You did it, alright.
We did a skydive in
Oh.
Australia. We got a movie of that.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I want to do that. I've never done it. I think I'm going to go in June, actually. See, Julie's moving. Look at how fast the rope's coming.
Hold on, sweetie.
All right.
I don't think it's going to be scary to step off, but then we do it.
It
It's
is.
so scary.
Right.
Give us a wave, sweetheart. There you go.
Mom's coming down next.
All right, good job. Up. Oh, Speedy, look at her.
I know.
All right,
Wow,
I gotta
Mom.
grip this rope. I'll slow her down. That's too fast.
Well done, Mom. That was awesome.
Keep down, loosen up more. Keep it down.
Hey, give us a wave. Give us a wave. No.
Yay.
Back to the ground. Good job.
That was the scariest.
Hey.
Step it off.
Oh, yeah.
Stepping off was, wasn't it?